Hello champions, your KCET exams are over. Now during the form fill up time, some of you have made some mistakes in the form filling details. Suppose you belongs to some reserved category, but you missed while filling up the form. There was some mismatch was happening. In some cases maybe you have forgot to upload the claim of your caste certificate or required documents. Some cases economically weaker sections you have forgot to upload the income certificates. So no matter what, if you have made an error during your application fill up time, this is the time for you to correct your applications. Okay, so there is a big update coming from KEA that you can correct your mistakes, and the date is already announced. Up to 3rd of April, 3rd of May, you can correct your details in the Karnataka portal. Okay, so this is a tweet by Karnataka Karnataka KE official. Okay, the IAS official has announced the final application window that you can change your application. You can basically correct any mistakes that you have already made while filling up the forms. So if your applications are still with the mistakes that you have made, either you will be considered for general category, or maybe if it is a major mistake, your application may be cancelled altogether. So you are allowed to appear in the exam, but now if you are not correcting your mistakes, maybe either your exam will be cancelled or you will be considered for general category if you belong to some special category, right? There were some guidelines given. Some of you are asking, sir, I am not able to upload the caste certificate, I am not able to upload the required documents, some board documents that was asked there. So now it is time for you to do that. So how to do that? First of all, you have to go to Karnataka cetonline.karnataka.gov.in, and there you have to click on the admission section. Click on UGCET 2026, and once you click there, you have to select UGCET 2026 online application link. Okay, so online application link is not a new link. Obviously you are not applying again. Application original application is closed. Now only thing is that you can edit your application from this. Okay, you have to enter your application number, your password, and there will be a captcha. You have to enter that, then verify, and you will be able to log into your account that from where you have filled up the forms. Now whatever corrections you want, you can do that. Okay, you can change your reservations, you can change your caste, you can upload, but with proper documentation. Okay, so all the documentation has to be according to the guidelines set up by the KEA during the initial announcement. Okay, there was initial brochure available. You know that what is the format of particular. Suppose you are claiming a reservation in North Karnataka, Hyderabad Karnataka region, then you have to have the proper certificate, domicile certificate, and all the required documents in the prescribed format by KEA. You cannot just simply submit a document by someone. It has to be written, given by a certain authority. The number should be there in the particular format. If the number of the certificate given to you is not in the proper format, then do change that right now, and definitely upload it within the deadline. If you are not doing within the deadline, then you will not be able to correct your mistakes in the application form. So you will be mostly considered as a general candidate, right? And general candidate, obviously the competition is very, very high. So if you belong to some reserve category, or if you are a general category student, you have made a mistake while filling up the form. Suppose your father name, your mother name, or your original name is mismatching with your Aadhaar card or some other documents that you have submitted. This is the time for you to correct that. Okay, so every correction has to be done right now, today. Okay, so don't wait till the last date is there. Correct your documentation today, and all the important, if you require certain documents, go collect it, and then you come back and submit it in the portal. Don't wait for the last date. I am telling you, okay, there will be server down or some or other issue will happen. So do it now, do it today. Okay, and if you are still not satisfied, then what you can do, you can prepare for COMEDK exam. COMEDK exam is all India level exam where students from all across India compete for the colleges across Karnataka, your home state, right? So all India students are competing for your home state colleges. So don't wait. If you are someone who realize that my KCET rank is not going to be high enough, then please do register for COMEDK 10 crash course. It's a 10-day crash course. Crash course already started from today. So if you are still waiting for joining, you are still thinking that whether I should join or not, you should not think too much. You should join the crash course today. The price of the course is only 1499, and you will get a lot of live lectures. All the lectures are happening live. Also, you will get recorded format of lectures of all the recordings that we have done in our previous crash courses. Everything will be available to you upfront, as well as you are going to get access to the all live lectures. Okay, and this is the result of our last year's COMEDK exam. You can see Arshia, Vinisha, Sweta, Khush, Aniket, Manju, Sunayana and Arshad, they are all did excellently well in our COMEDK exam. These are the first batch of COMEDK students, right? So if you are still waiting for your COMEDK preparation, don't think too much. The time will pass and your preparation will be hampered. So don't wait till last moment. Okay, COMEDK is not same as KCET. That's the thing you have to understand for the first time, right? Now, so if you really interested, the link of this is given in the description of this video. So don't forget to join the COMEDK 10 batch. I will like to see you there. Till then, bye.